Moi moi from Helsinki, Ben Sheppard, Head of Partnerships from Streamr here. Today we've had a workshop with Dave House from Implement Consulting to look at the go-to-market design for our network. The real jewel in the crown of the technology stack is the network. That's the backbone of this project. So today's workshop has really been about strategizing who are the customers that we're going to be speaking to, what verticals do they operate in, what's the problem that it's going to solve for them, where's the value that it brings to them. One of the best things that's come out of today is the 5 use cases that we came up with. Fisheries, for example, is one that's come up a lot today, and smart cities is one that came up over and over again. So really being able to crystallize a few different use cases and specific verticals with specific clients, and then how we can push this forward is really exciting to see. And yeah, personally I can't wait to get stuck into that.